Good morning, everyone. I am honored to present our exploration of the fascinating world of neuroeducation and how it is transforming our understanding and aiding of students for test preparation. We will assess how to discover individual learning styles and inclinations and give actionable advice to support students to gain the most out of their test prep activities. Let us begin. Gurukulprep will guide us on an exploration of neuroscience and how it can be employed to construct an effective test preparation approach. We will learn how our brains obtain and store information, allowing us to optimize our study periods to accommodate our individual learning habits and preferences. We will also discuss tactics for minimizing test pressure, maintaining a consistent speed throughout tests and memory recollection. Lastly, we will consider the part of instructors and parents in promoting successful test preparation. Come join us as we venture into the wondrous domain of neuroeducation and test preparation. Neuroeducation is an exciting field that studies the ways in which our brains process and store information for use in the future. By better understanding the science behind learning, we can create effective strategies to help us prepare for tests and raise our chances of success. A fundamental idea in the science of learning is the concept of neuroplasticity, which describes the brain's capacity to modify itself and adapt to novel experiences. This means that, with adequate practice and repetition, we have the ability to shape our brains. Attention also plays a role in learning, as focusing on certain topics make it easier to remember them. Techniques such as active recall and spaced repetition can be used to ensure that information is retained in our memory. Therefore, when preparing for an upcoming test, bear in mind the principles of the science of learning in order to maximize your chances of success. In order to maximize learning potential for test preparation, it is necessary to engage a variety of memory types using techniques such as repetition to move information from short-term to long-term memory, and visualization to create strong mental associations. Additionally, taking regular breaks and ensuring adequate sleep can help consolidate memories and improve recall. All of these strategies are essential for successful test preparation. Test preparation can be a challenging task for students. To optimize our test-taking strategies and excel in performance, cognitive processing needs to be understood. Improving cognitive processing can be done by utilizing active learning techniques like summarizing, note-taking, self-testing, and breaking down complex information into smaller parts. By doing this, our brains are better prepared to process the information and retain it. To enhance cognitive processing and improve test preparation, these strategies should be kept in mind to begin tests in a strong position. Regular practice is a key factor in successful test preparations. By varying the type of practice such as distributed and interleaved practice, we gain better comprehension of the material and gain more confidence for exams. To reduce the test-taking anxiety, it is helpful to replicate the atmosphere of the actual tests. As we have established, test preparation requires more than just memorization. Neuroeducation offers a unique approach to designing personalized test plans which take into account individual learning styles and preferences. At Gurukulprep, we understand the need for active learning. We believe that engaging with the material in a meaningful way will optimize learning and memory retention. To achieve this, we have incorporated visual aids, analogies, and teaching the material to others into our test prep plans. Our goal is to help students prepare for tests optimally. Technology has revolutionized the way we learn and prepare for tests, enabling us to optimize our learning and memory retention capabilities to get better results. Online practice tests give students insight into the types of questions they will face on their exams. Educational apps and software provide personalized learning experiences tailored to individual learning styles and preferences, aiding students in acquiring knowledge and skills quicker and more efficiently. Technology helps us to prepare for tests in an optimal way. It's well known that proper sleep and nutrition are critical components of learning and cognitive function. But it's especially important to prioritize these during test preparation. Studies have shown that a lack of sleep can lead to impaired cognitive function, while a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables and whole grains can improve brain function and overall well-being. Creating a regular sleep schedule, avoiding heavy meals before studying or testing, and staying hydrated throughout the day are just some of the practical tips to maximize your brain performance during test prep and ensure you reach your goals. Learning for tests can be stressful, but there are ways to reduce that stress and improve your performance. Mindfulness is a powerful tool to help with this. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment and can help reduce stress and improve your cognitive processing and memory retention. Taking short breaks throughout the day for deep breathing or meditation can help, as can incorporating mindfulness into other activities such as exercise or listening to music. All of these practices can help you stay calm in the face of test pressure and remember information better. So, next time you're studying for a test, try incorporating mindfulness into your routine. You might be surprised at the results. Test anxiety and focus can be managed through deep breathing, positive self-talk, and visualization techniques. Pacing oneself and using memory recall techniques such as creating mental images and associations can also aid in information retrieval and retention. By utilizing these strategies, one can make the most of their learning potential and optimize their performance on exams. When it comes to test preparation, teachers and parents provide essential support to students. They can offer guidance on study tactics, give feedback on practice tests, and help manage test anxiety. At home, parents can establish a positive environment, promote healthy habits, and give emotional support. They can also integrate useful tips into their support techniques to optimize student learning and memory retention. Encouraging students to take breaks during study sessions can prevent burnout and improve focus, while providing healthy snacks and meals can help cognitive function and memory retention. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us for the presentation on Neuroeducation Techniques with Gurukulprep. As we come to the conclusion of the presentation, it's time to look to the future of neuroeducation and test prep. Exciting possibilities and innovations are on the horizon. One of the most promising areas is virtual reality technology. Imagine being able to take a test in a realistic, immersive environment, minus the consequences of making mistakes. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach test preparation. Brain-computer interface technology is also rapidly gaining popularity as a tool for test prep. It allows for a more personalized learning experience by directly interfacing with the brain. Ultimately, these new technologies stand to help students of all ages prepare for tests optimally. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this presentation has been informative and thought-provoking. Have a great day.